Hello everyone, I came with one more application which is Cinebook. So last time we have seen the this Hero CRM. That time I have told that one more application is already ready with us, which is Cinebook. So I'll show you the coding part first of all. So the coding for this application is bit lengthy. This is just a run application and we have the configuration also. So first of all, we will see app. In app we have a blueprint, static and templates. In each one, like we have authentication, booking, dashboard, movies and screens in blueprints, and static we have css, js and screen again, and in templates we have all the html pages will be related to this one. Okay, and this is about app, and we have some migrations also. The version, the pb and all is there in this, and we have a readme tab. It's not yet updated yet, sorry. Okay, and we have the database files also in this. So this is all about migrations, and we have the requirement .txt, and we have this main database. Currently the app is running now. You see the redirectors and the 202 status, you can see, which is success one. Okay, and now when you log in, so when you run this python code, you will get this page, which is sign in page. Just you need to sign in with the admin credentials and click on sign in. I have set up one movie in this. Actually, if you see the dashboard, it's ongoing movies, today shows, and we have this tickets sold and unsold, which is empty seats, and the revenue today, and currently which are the movies it is showing. It will come here. Okay, this is how about the dashboard is. And the next one, we have the screen setup. I have set up only one screen, like it is screen one. Let's say for example, I write Atmos and I'll click on this add screen. Once you add this one, so it will show like this, and here you have to click on this manage layout. So what is the division name that we will, like I'll leave gold. How many rows are there? Like 5 rows are there, and in each row how many seats are there, so that also it will ask about. So let's say for example, if I have 20, then I'll add this division and you will see this type of layout. Okay, I'll add one more, which we have around 10 rows and 20 seats per column, and I'll click on this one. You see, we have this goal and we have this silhouette also, right? And the screen is in this way, and it will start like this. So it will not allow you to click here, just you can see the layout all right. So this is how about this screen setup, and you can manage the layout also. Okay, you can add in the you can add a few more seats to this, but there is no option to delete one. You just need to delete the entire screen. So click on delete and okay, then it will get deleted. But before that, I'll show you one more. Okay, now we will go to movies and shows. In this we have this movie name, the language, like I'll add one English. Start date is let's say for example tomorrow. End date is, let's say it's still weekend, like till Sunday it is there. Of course it has some subtitles, and we click on this add movie. Now if you see, the movie has come here to manage shows, like which screen it is coming. So that one, if I choose screen one, on which date it is, from tomorrow we are setting, right? So tomorrow what time, let's say for example 10, or this ticket price which is 150, and I click the screen one again, tomorrow's date, click like 113, okay, which is 250, price is 250. If you see, we have got these things, and like that you can add the multiple timings and dates also for this movie. Okay, and again I click on this movies and source, so you can see it, and we have something called the book ticket or the ticket history. Two things we have. First of all, we will see this book ticket. So currently it is showing only the select movie, select show, and the type of payment, cash, credit or UPI. So these three things are there here. So first of all, I'll select this one, because today we have only this one, that's why it is showing like this. Once again, I'll go to this and manage, like choose today's date. First of all, I'll choose screen 2, 2300 is 250, and I'll go to book ticket. Okay, that is not running on today, that's the reason it is showing like that. Okay, so we don't have option to change the runs from option, so that's why it is showing like that. But okay, we can have that privilege also in next corrections. Currently I'll select this movie which is already there, which is running from today, and I click on this timings and all. So if you see, the layout comes like this. These were already booked ones, the ones are already booked ones, you can see it is not allowing to select them again, and the green ones are not booked ones. Okay, so if I select something like 3 seats, the amount also will get reflected. Let's see if I am selecting, so amount also is getting changed. So if I select UPI and click on confirm booking, then you will see this type of ticket. Press on this one and you can print it off. So in this we have got seat numbers, and we have got the screen and the time, the date and the movie name, what is the price, the mode of payment, the booking ID, and at what time they have booked. So that also will get here. And all of a sudden, if that screen is gone, then you can go to this ticket history and you can reprint the same. This site, this application is only to run internal. It is not going in a bulk crowd. So that's why if someone is booking at the theater level, then they can use this setup and all. Okay, this is very simple one where you can track all these things. So, and of course, if it is a small theater management and we wanted to track the tickets, then you can do like this. This will be the very easy way. Okay, there are some more modifications to be done to this app that we can do it. Okay, and once your every work is done, then at the end of the day you can click on this logout button, so it will get logged out. Right, this is how this Cinebook works, and I also showed you the coding part and all. So it is quite bigger code, but the output you saw, right? So that is very beautiful, and if you see the last CRM, which is Hero CRM, it was also cool part, but the coding was very minimal. But for this, the coding is necessary because like the history and all, we have multiple requirements in this. That's why we have got many pages. I mean, we have got many files, and the database also there. So that's why for that CRM also we have the database, but this is something like the more requirement is there for this. So that's why we have got additional files for this. We can create in the minimal pages also, but if you see the layout and also all those things will not come. So direct ticket generation will be there if you minimize the coding. So this is what the Cinebook is. So I hope you like this application, and of course I have made this using Google Gemini. So the complete coding I have used Google Gemini LLM, and the corrections and everything is done by Google LLM only, and it took around 1 to 2 hours, I guess. Hardly I spent 2 hours to create this app. Not even 2 hours, but the consistency, the checking, and the requirements and all on the same spot I have made the requirements and created this app. So it took longer time than expected. I think within 1 hour we can finish the coding, deploy it to serve. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button. Do share with your friends. Learn LLM. So many applications are there to build. Okay, if you wanted to build me any application, so you can comment that one on the comment section, so that I'll show it to you. Like I can build it and show it to you. See, these are the applications which I have built. One is Analyzer, which is my personal one. We have this attendance, employee registration, ICD 10CM. This is a chart board. This is an interview board. I am already using it. This is a school application. Okay, we have this something like quiz apps. Okay, and some other applications are there. So few useful are there. All are useful only, but some small scale applications are there. Large scale applications like this Cine app is. Okay, so comment the next app which I have to build, and if you wanted to learn how to build this with a LLM, that also you can comment it out, so that I'll show you one time, like one day I can show you on the live how I will build the complete application using LLM. That's all for this video. Have a good day.